Good morning, drawing, or good afternoon, drawing and painting students. I want to go ahead and show you what we're doing differently today from previous days. Okay, so if you go to the Google Classroom, let me go expand this. Okay, under today's assignment for week 12, Tuesday, April 1st, respective day 2, this week is day 1, where you have to prep the paper and also start drawing the basic boxes for both 1 and 2-point perspective of either one a bedroom scene or a city scene. I've added something new. If you go to Google Classroom under Screen, you're going to find a slide presentation template. Okay, so this is your template for the perspective drawing. This is the introduction page. It's starting from bottom to top with the most recent on bottom and the most latest, which is going to be due on April 9th. It's going to be at the very top. Okay, so we're going to keep the title the way it is and change the name, period, and date. And then you're going to go and add a picture to each slide according to the day that you complete them. So yesterday you completed March 31st, day 1. Then you're going to include it under March 31st, day 1. Today you're going to include it on April 1st, day 2. We're going to schedule to have this project done by April 9th, and I'll be introducing the project the following Monday, so April 9th, next Friday. So take your time with it. You're going to be earning 40 points each day for 30 or 40 minutes of progress, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to